Hey guys, sorry that this cleaning video isn't that long. It's not really a deep clean. And before I filmed this particular video, I had already deep cleaned this area before, so this is more of like a sweep through of a clean. This video is also another older video, so my apologies. It's never my intention to put up later than expected. Just, things happen and things get in the way and just how life goes. I do plan on doing a deep clean of the whole house again, obviously making separate videos for different areas, before the holidays are over. So I'm working on that now, hopefully. However, I don't think they'll be up before the holidays are over either, so you'll have content after the New Year's. I'm trying to provide more content either way, and I'm trying to better my content as well. Some footage is cut because I must have forgotten to turn the camera on when I was cleaning. I generally have to turn the camera off before the 15-minute mark, otherwise for some reason my videos get corrupted or don't work whatsoever. So there are times I forget to turn it back on, or I think I turned it on and I really didn't. So my apologies. Sorry there wasn't much talking in this video. I didn't have much to say, and I'm still sick, so I'm trying not to use my voice so much. I'm getting better though, so no worries. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button and comment and subscribe, please.